Good morning, friends. Miss Missy here. I figured it's been a bit, so we're going to read a book today. And then tomorrow's Wednesday, Matt and Molly Day. Woohoo! And we missed it last week, so I'll do 2 Matt and Molly's tomorrow. So I figured we'd read a cool book. Dogs Don't Wear Sneakers. What? Do dogs wear sneakers? I don't know if my dogs ever wore a sneaker. It's written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Joe Matthew. Let's see what happens. We've got all kinds of funny stuff on this book. Look, there's a dog in a plane. There's a dog on a bike. Looks like dogs running on a scooter. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's going on here. Dogs don't wear sneakers. What is going on? What does it look like they're doing? Looks like they're running a race. And pigs don't wear hats. And dresses look silly on Siamese cats. Oh my goodness. Look at this. They're dressed up as pirates. Sheep don't take showers and goats never shave. And you won't find a bathtub inside a bear's cave. Oh my goodness. This is kind of a crazy book. Moose don't go bowling. What? And hens never swim. And you'll never see roosters working out at the gym. My goodness, look at this. This is crazy. Skunks don't ride scooters, and beavers don't skate, and frogs don't take cabs when they're out on a date. Oh my goodness. Cows don't go dancing. Do cows dance? Oh my goodness. And yaks never ski. And you won't find a honey bun baked by a bee. It looks like the animals are all having fun, though. Fish don't eat bagels. And penguins don't teach. What? Are there penguin teachers out there? Do we look like penguins? And rabbits don't sunbathe at your local beach. Look, it looks like there's a rabbit on a surfboard over here and one lounging on a pool floaty. These guys are catching some sun. Now just close your eyes and draw with your mind. You might be surprised at what you will find. Like parrots in tutus and lambs selling shoes. Oh boy. And 2-story houses constructed by Grooves. Or mules painting pictures and ducks riding bikes and raccoons with knapsacks on holiday hikes. Or bulls flying airplanes and snails saving twine. Oh my goodness. But tell me what you see. It's your dream, not mine. Oh my goodness, somebody dreamed all these animals doing stuff that us people do. Like sitting at the beach and riding surfboards and running races and being in planes. Miss Missy noticed when I was reading this book that some of these words all sounded the same. Does my friends in my classroom remember what that means when we have words that sound the same? It starts with an R. Get your thinking caps on. Let's see if we can find some more. Oh, pigs don't wear hats. Siamese cats. Hats and cats. They sound the same. Shave and cave. They sound the same. Swim and gym, they sound the same. Do you remember what word that is? I can hear your brains thinking rhyming words or when two words sound the same. All right, my friends, maybe I'll see you a little later with a fun animal game to play. Have a great day and take advantage of that sunshine out there. No more rain today. Bye-bye, friends.